Hi all, in this video we'll install Java 23 or JDK 23 in the Windows 10 machine. So we'll first install the JDK 23 files from the Oracle, then we'll execute the exe file, then we'll set the environment variables. After that we'll confirm the Java versions, and next we'll run the first program with Java 23. So let's get started. Before going ahead with the video, I request you please subscribe to the channel to get videos on Java, Spring Boot, microservices and software development terminology. So we'll go to this Chrome and we search as Oracle Java. Then we'll click on Oracle software. Then we'll click on this download Java on the top right corner. After that, so it is showing that Java 23, 21, 17 is available. So we'll go to this JDK 23 and this Windows machine. We'll click on this Windows, and after that we'll click on this installer. So that is downloading. So we see the JDK 23 is downloaded, and next we'll go to this download location, or from here we can execute. So I will click on this open icon, or I'll go to this download location. So JDK 23 is there. I will click on enter. So it is executing exe file. So it is preparing for install. It will take few times to install. Then welcome message is there. Just click on the next. Then in this location, see program file Java JDK 23. The files will be installed. Remember this location, or I will don't no need to remember. I will show that also. Click on next. So progress will be shown in this status section. Once this status is fully filled, then it will be completed. So status is showing updating component, importing files, reviewing any or copying new files, whatever the dependency it wants or features it wants, it will implement all the beans and other related Java files. It will take few times to import all the things in your system. So it will take 5-7 minutes or 3-4 minutes to install. Then the installation is successfully installed. Then I will click on this close. Then I will go to this C drive to check the file location. Then program files. After that I will click on this Java. So you see the JDK 23 is installed. I go there and I click on this bin. So then I will copy this location. Control A C. Next I will go to edit the environment variable. I will search as environ environment variable. So edit the system environment variable. I will click here. Then there is a setting is there. I will go to this environment variable section. Then in the below this system variable is there. Then I will go to this path. In the path I will click on edit. So I need to add a new path. So I will click on new, and I will control V, I will paste that. So if you see that JDK 23/bin is paste, I will click on OK, then again OK, then again OK. So now this is being environment path is set properly. We need to confirm that Java version. For that I would go to command prompt cmd, and we see that Java C23 has been installed. So now writes a hello world program with the Java 23. I'll go to this any notepad. So I have write a simple hello world program with a print statement. welcome to Dev Developer YouTube channel. So I will click on Ctrl S. I will save this. I will save this with test.java in d.doc. So I will click on save. Then I will go to this d.doc. So test file is there. On here I will click on cmd. Then from here you can use java c test.java. So compiler is created, and you can see that test.class file is created, and you can execute this class file. You will get the details. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. If you face any issue, you can mention that on the comment section. And we have one dedicated video where I have explained you the Java 23 features with details demo. You can watch that video.